So today we're unboxing a product off of Amazon that I ordered because my Harbor Freight Portland electric pressure washer wand started leaking. I tried fixing it and couldn't really fix it, so I didn't want to go get a whole new pressure washer with the same wand, all that bullshit. So I ordered this off of Amazon. I looked it up. No one really had like suggestions for a replacement wand for it. So I just found this one on Amazon. It's about like the only one on there, or eBay, or online. So I'm gonna unbox it, put it on, and test it out, see if it works, how it works, if it's good or not, and what it all comes with. So.
Double bag, look at that. 1, 2.
This one's even more tape. Jeez. All right. Boom. So here's the wand or the gun. It's got, I believe it's the same inlet as the Harbor Freight one. Got the same little locking mechanism. Okay, that's that. What else it come with? Ooh. Boom. So it came with this. And it's got all those different nozzles on it. A little holder, 5 of them for the different tips. Got your main nozzle right here. And then it's just nice because it's just a quick release. Just like an air hose. So let's check this out. Right here, it's like your regular, just pressure washing tip, I'm guessing, I don't know. That, and then we have a bag with all the other ones. Like your red, that looks like a super fine stream. Your green, like a fine fan. And this one was 0, 25 degrees. And it's, oh, this is your 15 degrees. Your orange. Your white is 40 degrees. And then your black, I don't know what the fuck that is. Your black is like beveled with a pretty big hole in it. So I'm gonna take this outside, hook it up, see if it leaks, first of all, and then give you like a little demonstration of each tip and what it does. So I have that old wand right there. I'll show you guys what it's doing. Turn on the water. Turn this to on. Just on. Look at it. Isn't that crazy? Right? Barely anything. Alright, now we got this gun connected. This one. We're gonna put this attachment on it. Boom, super easy. And that's it. So it just comes out like that. Now if we put this on, alright, nice tight fit. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's like, that's pretty sick. So let's turn it on and check it out. Alright, so here's this tip on it. this thing is pretty sick. That is sick. All right, let's see how easy this is. See if we can do it with one hand. Boom. So let's start at 0 degrees. That's it. All right, now we have the 0. Shoot it that way. So this one's super fine, which is cool. Like a little jet stream. And here's the 15 degree nozzle. All right, here's the 25 degree nozzle. All right, now here's the 40 degree nozzle. Boom. Pretty widespread. Good night. Now here's the black nozzle that has no numbers on it. All right, guys, so I think the Bear Force nozzle off of Amazon is one of the best upgrades you could do to your Harbor Freight pressure washer, your Portland electric pressure washer. It even if your wand isn't broken, I think this is a much better option to go with. It has really quick changing tips to it. It's got a turbo nozzle, and then this black one is actually called the orifice. It's like a orifice nozzle, and then you have your 4 different fan degrees right here, and it's just so much easier, so much better. So if you guys are in the market, I'll put the link in the description for this exact thing that I bought right here. It's 32 bucks off of Amazon, shipped next day to my doorstep, and it's awesome. So fuck the wand that the pressure washer comes with. Get this one, much better, and you won't regret it. So yeah, if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate it. So peace.